Do you have orange cabinets in your kitchen? In this video, I will show you how to take your dated oak cabinets from orange to awesome. We wanted to try a quick fix for this kitchen. We tried to put a dark wax, or actually it was a black wash, on part of the cabinet, and we considered a black wax, trying to tone down the orange, but it just did not work. That was really disappointing. Then we talked about it and decided, let's just go for it. We'll do it right. So we started taking off the doors. Okay, all the doors are off. And the drawers are out. At this point, we're scrubbing all the outer part of the cabinets, all the oak that's going to be showing. We're not doing the inside of the cabinets at this time, we're just doing the outside. So we're scrubbing it down with ammonia and detergent, getting ready for the primer. Part of the doors still need to be primed, and the drawers. Here I'm putting primer on this door. We've got about 6 cabinet doors after this one. I'm using a Lazy Susan to just keep this moving around, makes it a little bit easier. And the fan on it's drying pretty quick. Wow, look at this beautiful creamy paint. It is going on so smooth. First, I brush the outer edge in those crevices. And be sure to fill that up, get it covered very nicely. This is the first coat, as you can tell. So I do that with a brush. Then I roll it, the middle part where the panel is. Get that as smooth as I can. Then I also go back over the frame part and the edges with that roller. Oh, I love this creamy color. This paint is doing so good. It's just so smooth and levels up so nicely. When I'm finished with this, then I'll do the second coat the very same way. finish off these cabinets. Caulking always makes things look so much nicer. Whoops. Oh, got too big a hole there. You know, when there's a mistake or just a little crack, it just totally makes it disappear. I'm gonna go all the way around these kitchen cabinets and caulk them because I think it's just gonna make it really look much nicer. There's places where it's kind of pulled apart throughout the years. So I'm gonna make them better if I can. In this kitchen makeover, we used the Behr Satin Cabinet Door and Trim Enamel. It is a great paint, levels nicely on the cabinets, and just gave it a beautiful finish. We used the color Oyster. And then we redid the hardware, gave it a paint. We started with took it all off, of course, and then we used the primer and the color black matte and a clear coat. So those right there are the three that did a great job on the hardware. If you have orange oak cabinets or just need a change in your kitchen, I hope this video has encouraged you to just go for it and take another step in making your home your happy place. Stay creative. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.